Hello folks, welcome to a Walkie talkie. I'm just going to say the phrase famous last words. Right, everyone knows about all the East Kilbride works that are going on, and yeah, replacement buses. If you're going to a place like Giffnock, right, you can take the bus from Central down to Pollokshaws West, as seen here. However, you have to swap for a minibus. Now, there it is. But the problem is, my bus left 10 minutes late, and the minibus that would go to Giffnock parks approximately here. And because our bus is 10 minutes late, the minibus itself just goes, you know. It gets a certain time and goes, irrespective if the bus behind has arrived or not. And this leaves a very long 20+ minute wait here. Absolutely no amenities nearby. So if you get off a bus and maybe you're starting to feel like, yeah, I need the bathroom, you're fucked. And I was talking to a guy just only minutes ago. He actually gave up the wait. He and I chatted for a few minutes, and then he decided it would be actually quicker walking. And that's the narrative of some routes that are travelable in Glasgow. You're actually quicker than the bus walking. I think it's pathetic. I also think what is pathetic is what I was trying to explain earlier, saying there's no direct bus from Glasgow to Giffey, also known as Giffnock. And by the time that bus does make an appearance on our side, you get on the bus, it's a minibus, guess what? No toilet. So yeah, anybody who has things like Crohn's or whatever, well, use a fuck sunshine, petal cups and buttercups. That's all I'm going to say. A weird thing I did notice on coaches as a general, you go into the toilet and it says only pee in the toilet. If you're one of these people that likes to sit down to have a piss as a man, or you're a female, right, and you're just basically is this my bus? Right, but basically, gentle summary, you're sitting down, you're peeing, and then a shit falls out. Like, you feel very what's that word, awkward and breaking the law. But that's what I've got to say. Anyway, I'm going to head off now. I think this is my bus, so here's hoping. Right, catch you later.